feeling that.
Pain hurts. No. It burns.
Cannibal.
I'm a torch a pounder. If she not heavy set, I can't be around her. You can keep the skinny girls, I like my little rounder. I need me a torta, I'm a torch a pounder. If she not heavy set, I can't be around her. You could keep the skinny girls, I like my little rounder. I like the way she shake it, she wanna be my baby.
I don't remember.
We could make it, I like her.
Check out my meat stick.
Fatty.
Fatty.
Hell yeah.
Mexican type.
Mexican specific. Preferably like 5 feet tall.
Oh, I wasn't recording. That sucked. That was
Face. Get the face.
He's sniffing? Oh, damn. He ugly. He looks like Chewbacca. Why do you keep calling
Dude,
dogs
he's not ugly, bro.
I'm a cat person.
He's so cute.
I mean, I am too.
Look at him.
I can
Look
look.
at him,
Chewbacca
so
looking at.
He's so cute, bro.
Chewbacca's cute too. Come on. Chewbacca is
He
cute.
kind of looks like Wrigley, Jackie.
Yeah, a little bit.
What are you saying about Wrigley,
Yeah,
Jackie?
what are you saying about Wrigley?
Huh?
What do you think about Wrigley?
I don't think.
Since I met you, step in like a tough Tony. Don't wanna hear them stories, shit corny.
Signing fuck a sister and a cousin. No, I ain't no bitch, and no, I ain't no snitch. I'm fucking on that bitch, and then I make a strip. I'm twerking on that bitch, I'm working on that bitch. She sucking on my dick, cause I'm a pretty bitch. Act like a bot, like.
This is well, no, yeah, doing it like up. That's this is just a warm up. Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh. Blew them away.
Yeah.
Oh, are we burying somebody?
They're burying Jackie.
Oh my god.
How have you been?
I just got fired this Monday. I
Hello, Anna.
I mean, I don't really care. I recruit my help us, corporation.
Bye bye,
We'll leave the
Jackie.
face alone for now.
Yeah, that's enough.
He literally buried, digged his own grave.
That feels good. Oh, no, you're doing this too much.
Nah, I was about to start kicking it.
Everybody start punching. It's like
Here, I want to contribute.
All right, guys, in the kindy.
Bye bye toes.
Does everyone have their rocks?
Oh my god, wait, Alex, take this, the bracelet.
Oh.
I brought it for you.
Digging your butt twin.
Digging your butt twin.
No!
No!
I don't like it.
Hey, get those piggies out of here.
This is good.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, right here? Yeah. Bury him here. Yeah.
Hey, wait, we need some boobs.
Yeah. Give him
oh,
both.
right, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Don't stop laughing, you're cracking your stomach.
Yeah.
Jackie, how does it feel having boobs?
Hey, boobs.
I can't even see it.
The sticks and rocks in them are awesome. Damn!
Fine as hell. Hey, Mama, see it?
Try how high can you go?
Yeah. Okay, ready? We'll start low.
No, go high. Y'all are crazy.
No, Johnny, I'm saying like we'll go like that.
Yeah, go like that.
Y'all chat. Ain't all this algae bad? Like, ain't this shit toxic? Look at that, everyone's so smiley. White maiden alert. Black entity alert. Gothic. Swimmer dad. Surfer baby. Hey mommies.
I don't know what the fuck they want.
For ethno Russians.
the Caucasians. Not the team said in front of us. Not them.
I wish that I knew that guy because he's at least walking towards us, but no, I'm just filming him.
thumb?
No.
Or is it giving
The gas cloud.
Okay.
Oh, that's scary. I don't like that.
I know the cutoff between like the darkness.
I mean, yeah. You got the light in there.
Is it just me when I was like,
Next weekend. Yeah, she works on Sunday.
Every Sunday?
you're going out with me?
For like a researcher position.
Oh, nice.
But the problem is the budget is really low this year. So I don't know if like they're gonna be able to do everything. But I'm in contract with her and like we're gonna figure out what the content is supposed to be for the next season of the podcast.
Fuck BXP.
But yeah.
Fuck those bitches.
Fuck those bitches.
Like those bitches.
I plan on going back.
Okay, that's like the perfect time.
Yeah, we start back.
Yeah.
And I plan on being
Big, clever, innocent. Get your
I know what they are. I know what they are. You know, if I lived by the ocean 1,200 years ago, I would have seen it, watched it on the show, and been like,
Do you hear this? Tell the camera.
I admit it, but I won't say it again.
What?
He says, what'd you say? You said sea slugs look like dicks and pocket pussies, and that
I did not say
if he lived,
They do.
and if he lived it by
They look
the
like
ocean,
pocket
that he would be
butts.
using that shit. That's what he said.
Oh.
That's what he said. Not
The
my
year
opinion.
1200 before conception comes out. Before baby come up. There was sea slug.
I heard you. Follow us.
You said you're originally from NorCal? Yeah. Where are you from? I'm from Chicago. Yeah. Where are you from?
Hi. You look cool.
Are you zooming in on, you know?
I'm zooming in on your face.
Oh, my face.
Yeah, you look
not
cool.
the fact that he was throwing sand at me racially.
Look at what.
Racially?
Oh, my melanin. He's getting my melanin.
Oh no, it's melanin. Oh, silly Willy. Hello.
Stand on this.
Oh no, that's yucky.
Oh, you're good. You're
Where's the speaker?
Whoa! Are you a cracker or
Freaky,
DJ.
Crazy.
What?
What is like almost as long as your back?
No, I'm not DJing.
We're out there.
You're good.
Jackie was DJing, right?
Yeah, but he's getting a hot dog.
I want a hot dog so fucking bad, bro.
Wait, can you do the?
I want a hot dog real bad.
Thanks for knowing exactly what I was talking about. Hell yeah.
Hey, but what
He's one with the sand.
you can no longer fuck up?
I know, that arch is beautiful.
I know, right?
Like we're...
I just turned 23. Love the arch.
Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now.
Like being irresponsible.
Yeah.
Like,
It's a little kitten. Wait, the lens is on. Okay, there we go. So cute. It's a little kitten on the beach.
How old is he?
This is a good way to.
Hi.
He like moment. Oh wow. Looks less than
Oh my gosh.
tiny.
He's so cute. Hello.
Oh. In the leaves.
Bye, little guy.
If I was a cat walking on the beach for the first time, I'd be confused as fuck.
No, right?
What
Like,
is
where
this
the
crown?
fuck am I?
What the fuck is this shit? Like, is this heaven? Why is it moving? I don't understand.
Kitten reenactment?
Dude, if I was a human never been on the beach, I'd be like, what the fuck? If I was a human never been on the beach, I'd be like, is this like, am I dead?
Is this
Did I
heaven?
do something good? Is this heaven? Yeah. Where's the gate? Have a disc or is it It's tape. Is that?
We have competition.
Dude, this is like my friend Sammy, he's like Ethiopian like family friend in Uptown. We're just hanging out there jamming, and this
Aww.
Movie or something. I was like, oh shit, dude.
Did he give you the charger and everything?
Yeah.
That's magical.
Really? Dude, you're lucky. Holy shit. That's a big boy.
We got a trade.
Everybody got like a camera.
He was insane.
Oh, this is literally the same. That's a handicam.
Hey.
Wow.
Oh, wait. Technically, I have the upgrade. Because that's like 2003 probably. It's like 03, 04 maybe.
Yeah.
But then my shit's like 2010.
2010? Damn, that's like 15 years ago at this point.
Vibe. Beach sig. There's sand coming out of every part of that. Sand on the sig.
Sand on the stick.
Hell yeah.
Sand on the stick. It
Beach
tastes
sig.
like berries.
Wait, take a
Tastes like berries.
take a drag. Wish that could be me.
Huh?
Wish that could be me.
Getting eaten by Davo?
No, sick. Oh my god. No, it's sick.
Wait, is it bad to ash in the ground?
I have the red button to record.
Yeah, let me see. I think this is the older version of my camera. It is. It's a handicam.
Oh,
So this is the same camera.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do know. Berries. Those Korean filters.
Oh, no, please, I'm worried. No, I feel like I was so...
This is good. This is like a perfect little pocket one.
Staring at it.
No, I was
Sunburned dick and balls doesn't sound very funny either.
No. Very painful.
He's dead.
Oh, he's out?
Yeah. We killed him earlier.
Oh, no.
We just left his body there.
Just had to like choke him out.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Fucking filmmakers over here. I was stepping on dude, the paparazzis, bro.
Whoa.
Oh, wait, that shit looks good.
Right? It's crazy. I don't know what the lighting is right now. It looks super, like the saturation looks so vibrant.
I know, it looks like
well, like the light is like really good right
2010's
now.
music video.
Can I cue a song? Hey, Jackie. I love you.
I love you too. What's with that?
Korea, and they have purple filters that taste
Why has everybody
like
got sick from
berries.
Korea?
Yes.
Oh my god. All these Korea booze.
Like, you know,
like the
Wait, can I shoot a bunker?
Let me finish this hand and then yeah.
Can I give you a tattoo?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be like, say like, sorry.
Can I do one?
Yeah. Dude, this little girl is like standing behind you and just staring at your back shot dude for like 2 minutes. Then she gets left now.
like my Indian relatives, they don't know what that is, so if I tell them you drink it from above, that's when they understand.
Okay.
Drawing on strangers. How do you think it looks?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah. That is good. Oh, let me get the bait.
Huh?
Let me get the bait.
This stance is crazy.
We just hooked bro up. We went crazy. Full back piece. Full back.
550.
550.
Come get a back piece. 550 for that. Check my boy out.
Beautiful, beautiful.
It's like 580.
How does come like
Hello, me.
I want to see how far this goes. It's crazy.
It's another guy.
Because my mom's an artist, so.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Alex.
What's up?
Am I red?
Dove, Don't do anything yet. Okay, go.
Ready?
Yes. Yes.
This is some classic shit.
I love the song. This is the first song I knew. Glad we did that.
Yeah, me too.
Very fun.
Very far. Great. Very far.
No, yeah, I just like.
Whoa, this is so sick.
Alright, well, you two are close. So I could just drop y'all off. Yeah.
We can also walk.
Okay, it's up to you.